Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video, as you saw from our title today, we will be unbagging, unboxing our Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of February. For those of you who are not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag or any of the other different layers that make up Ipsy, I will leave a link down below, so any questions that you may have, you'll be able to find them out there, as well as when you use that link, it will give you some coin off on your first bag. Okay, so let's just get started. This is one of the dying breed, and by that I mean it's one that still has a description card. Okay, and it tells us that our theme for the month is it's a self-love affair. Okay, all right, and on this description card it says roses are red, violets are blue. It's the month of love, and we say you do you. Sleep in an extra hour, take yourself on a date, spoil yourself with beauty you've been coveting, especially from some of the stellar Black-owned brands that we're spotlighting. Do whatever makes you feel unapologetically yourself, because after all, you're the love of your life. Okay, so let's just jump in and see what is in this month's bag. All right, before we start talking about the items that were included, let's just talk about the one thing that we always get, which is a makeup bag. Okay, this one is rather cute. It's that crinkly material, and of course it is pink with the heart that says Ipsy. Okay, I like this month's bag. I like it. Yeah, I think I really do like it. Okay, so let's see what the first item is. It's by Lottie London, and it's this item right here, and it says this is oil slick lip oil and peachy cheeks. All of the sweet, none of the sticky. This sheer peach lip oil is infused with peach extract and packed with vitamin E and B, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and omega-3 to leave your lips feeling sweet and super juicy. Okay, this happens to be a full-size item, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $7. Okay, I'm very interested to see what this one smells like. They're talking about this peachiness an awful lot. So when I check it, it does say that this one is a cruelty-free product. It is PETA approved. It has a an 18-month shelf life. Okay, and it's rather pretty. I'm just not ready to open it yet, but in the end of all of our videos, we swatch or not swatch. So we'll see what happens when it comes down to the end. Okay, so that is the first item. Then the second item that we have is by Ofra Cosmetics, and it's this one right here. Okay, and this one is the silicone primer. Okay, and it says ready, set, prep. This priming gel is made to refine pores and create a smooth canvas to prime your skin for all day and all night glam. This lightweight primer adds just the right amount of tackiness for makeup to stick to and last all day long. Now this one is a deluxe sample, but if you were to purchase the full-size product, it would come in a 30 milliliter size, and the cost would be $20. Okay. Now this one, I believe that says it has a 12-month shelf life, okay? And as they stated, this one is a deluxe sample at a 0.4 fluid ounce size, okay? So that is the second item that we have. And then the third one is a body lotion, and it's this one right here, and it's by Memoir Archives, and this is the Wild Flower Field Lotion, and it says 1 sniff of this floral lotion and you'll be transported to a colorful field of wildflowers. It features notes of wild daisy, rose, and blooming peony that linger on your skin long after you've applied it. All right, this one is another deluxe sample, and if you were to get the full size, it would come in a 2.5 ounce size, and the price would be $25. Okay, and on the back of this tube there is a 50% off coupon code, and this one is a 0.5 fluid ounce size. And this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. Okay, the packaging is cute, that's for sure. Oh, it smells wonderful. And this one has a safety seal on it, and I can still smell it through the top. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. So then the next item that we have is by Define Me. It's another fragrance, and this one is the Barbie perfume. Okay, and it says it's a Barbie world and we're all just living in it. This gorgeous pink bottle is filled with a scent that perfectly encapsulates the essence of sparkle and joy. It opens with a burst of freshness, then develops a pop of floral and settles into a creamy and smooth finish. Okay, this one is a deluxe sample, but if you were to purchase the full size, it would be 100 milliliters and it would cost $65. Okay, let's see. Just sprayed a little. Oh, that's very nice. However, I don't think I would be the one to wear this. I would have to give it to one of my G babies because it does smell rather youthful. How about that? Okay, that's what I'm going to call it. It smells rather youthful. Okay, so we have one more. And for those of you who have seen my icon unboxing, if you haven't, I'll link it up here. But in that video, I said, did you notice I did not receive a palette? Well, I got a palette in this one, okay? And it's by Pear Nova. And it says, this stunning eyeshadow palette is the perfect combo of mattes, metallics, and neutrals to create anything from an everyday look to a night out glam. It features 7 highly pigmented shades that stand out on their own and also blend effortlessly together. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $27.50. Okay, now this one is a 9-gram size, and it says it is pressed powder palette. All right, it has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a cruelty-free product. Okay, and oh, these are what the shades look like. Okay, the inside packaging is pretty nice. And here we go. These are the shades that came inside. All right, they are rather nice. So I'll tell you what we'll do. Since we're at the end, we might as well go ahead and swatch them now. So, okay, I swatched them all, and from left to right, there's Miracle, Casanova, Allure, and Moonstruck. Okay, what do you think? Not bad, right? Okay, so I like this. I like this. I should have swatched. I think I'm going to do it anyway. There's a yellow in here, and I would love to see what this looks like. Oh, okay. All right, and this one is actually called Utopia. And that's this one right here at the top. Okay, what do you think? Are we twins? Did we get the same bag? If we did, let me know down below, okay? I would love to see what you received, or to even know if we did receive the same thing. Okay, now, as you know, we were supposed to be getting rid of our glam bag because we are going with another 5-item bag, okay, and that one is going to be $12.50 a month. Hopefully we'll still get the February one. If not, March will start with us getting the new bag that will be $12.50. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. But I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged or boxed our last Ipsy Glam bag. I think for a while on this channel, if not forever. We'll see, okay? Now, these are the items that were included, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for the items that were inside, if they were full sizes, plus the full sizes that we did receive, okay? Now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you, okay? Now, make sure you share the video, but most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.